Nangu umngani wethu ozolahlekelwa yikonke ngenxa yetutuluzi. Hayibo!
Sanibonani-ke ubungulo Ndlovukazi ngiza nendaba wena uzanani nendlebe. Lona-ke umamgobhozi wenu wodumo oniphathela zona zishisa on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.
Nangu umngani wethu ozolahlekelwa yikonke ngenxa yetutuluzi. Hayibo! Umngani, sanibonani-ke ubungulo Ndlovukazi ngiza nendaba wena uzanani nendlebe. Oh my God, umngani wethu ufuna simxwayise. Ngiyacela-ke simxwayise. Imsizi. So umngani wethu ukuthi Bongiwe, I met this guy nje I was not dating, sahlangana nalo mfana lona uthi wangishela lo mfana like he was consistent nje lokho ngishela nje umfana wakhona uthi ngingenawo ama feelings akhe, ngingenawo umhlobo ama feelings akhe like in terms of ukuthi nje my guy muhle, I love at first sight and ngiyamthanda. Uthi cha nje kungekho into efikayo nje enjalo. It's okay, guy, but he was very persistent and he knew what he wanted and he loved me. Uthi ngaze ngagcina ngisengifollow kwi-trap yokuthi ngenze njani ngamqoma. Wamqoma umngani wethu umfana. Wathandana naye umfana. Wamphatha kahle umfana. Baze bashada umfana. Wahamba wayolobola kubo. Washada. Sakhala. Makashada naye umfana uqeda umfana kuba mnandi ke ukuthi ngo2013 bathola ingane yomfana. Yes. Ngo2014 bathola ingane umfana uthi since Bongiwe ngithana naye uyazi lento ukuthi enene uthi enene I'm gonna love him along the way uzofika uthando lakhe uthi cha lutho alifika uthando kodwa umfana ugude empindeni uyayishaya into yakhona uthi nje hayi no benganelisa nje like I was okay, was happy. I just didn't love him, but I was okay with the fact that ngoba phela kuthiwa indoda uyithandi oliyasho neBhayibheli uthi enene wena mfazi obey your husband and when a husband love your wife uthi nama I took it like that literally ngathi nje I'm gonna obey him and nje and then yena he's gonna love me because anginayo imizwa yakhe yokuthi ngimthande. But uthi umfana ugood is a provider, he's a man oyemsebenzini uya provide ingane zethu wenza konke. Uthi ezisiqhubeka isikhathi uthi siyahamba isikhathi Bongiwe uGuy useyaqala manje useyabhaxaza kwi relationship useyabheda uthi ubheda la to a point of no return ngathi unesifo sashukela uthi ngathi nje uthi uvela athi nje angene Jukayi sekuphelile inkukhu. Ngiyaxolisa mngani wethu ukubiza umyeni wakho ngenkukhu kodwa ke uyithi like aka last angithi inkukhu 1 2 3 go done. Uthi kunjalo kumngani wethu uthi umyeni aka last inhlobo uthi manje iyamstressa lonto uthi azahlala phansi athi you know what ngicela sihlale phansi sibe ne family meeting sixoxele because ingaphezulu kwamandla ami myeni wami ngiyakubona ukuthi angimthandi kodwa ngafunda ukuthi ngizomthanda along the way but still na along the way ngiyabona ukuthi cha akude kufike la ku love ukuthi ngithi nje who is my husband. Uthi okay bese ethi enene myeni sinengxaki ngokuke wena usuthi Juku bese uyaqeda njengeqede uthi and it doesn't ayingijabulisi mina njengomuntu osifazane uyangibona ngisane izinto eziningi nje kusafuna zibe satisfied la emsebenzini so ngiyacela ukuthi ungijabulise. Uthi umngani wethu abese the husband was very kind. I mean he still is. Uthi ukhandi he took it wholeheartedly, no offense whatsoever. We decided ukuthi nomkhwenyana sizohamba siyobona sifuna usizo siye kudokotela men's clinic siyofuna usizo ukuthi umkhwenyana azama ukuthi last isikhathi eside empedeni azame futhi nokuthi abe active nje abe active member angazi noma match on match noma MK kodwa abe member nje active empedeni. I think ngizolinganisa ngematch on match ngoba siyababona ba active lapha emgaqweni ufuna indoda enjalo engathi namandla engathi yampheke yamthulula umngani wethu. Okay abese umngani wethu khona lapho indoda ithola amaphilisi eclinic ibese ithola angazi ukuthi uthi they gave him injection, I think so. Uthi bamjova nje just ukuzama ukuthi nje abe nestamina abe ingozi empedeni. Uthi Bongiwe I was consistent in making sure ukuthi uGuy uyawadla amaphilisi akhe. Ngiyazama ngiyamtshela ukuthi no idla amaphilisi so that you know kuzovuka phela umvusanduku lamaphilisi la ufuneka induku isebenze. Uthi uGuy kunokuthi induku ivuke abhacaze even worse after sesiphume eclinic kube ngathi nje usebhacazela ke ukugcina ke. Uthi Bongiwe ngize ngiphelelwe amandla aze ngivele ngibone ukuthi you know ayikho phela into engizoyenza la kuyabheda ngempela bese ngithola ngishelo umfana ngithola iboyfriend because nami imizwa ifuna ukusebenza. Uthi ngishelo umfana bese ngiyamtshela ukuthi you know my guy ngishadile mina nginomuntu athi uGuy anginayo inkinga. Uthi nami sengiyazi ukuthi nje lo ngimqombela ukuthi kahle kahle azo satisfy imizwa yami. It's not because ngifuna umjolo userious. uGuy athi akanayo inkinga abese siyaqala ke we called each other besifonelana during the day ngalesikhathi umkhwenyana engekho because mina angisebenzi but ngiyadayisa just to make sure ukuthi umkhwenyana wami ngiyamsupport eyintweni eziningi ayikhokhela endlini. Umkhwenyana uyasebenza unemali so uyangisupporta nami neyingane zami but angimhluphi ngalutho. I just wanted to make sure ukuthi and then nami nginemali ukuze ngalokho ngicela yonke into. Uthi so asifonelane ke during the day saxoxa nomfana until uzoshaya isikhathi sokumithana. Masimithana siyamithana nomfana sihlangana. We didn't go to a hotel, we didn't go anywhere, sihlanganele emotweni. Uthi Bongiwe zasha nomfana omkhulu smooch for days. Uthi ya connect imizwa yahlangana ireli yadonsa. Uthi yathi ireli. Uthi yadonsa ireli. Uthi makudonsa ireli Bongiwe ngihambe ngigoduke ngiye ekhaya. Umfana ngihambise because phela ufuna ngifike iclock isikhathi indoda yabuye emsebenzini. Ufuna ngifike ngenze izinto ngipheke ngenze konke. Uthi apheke umngane wethu esebenza. Uthi ngazo isikhathi ingqondo ihlala ngayo imenslima imcabangisa umfana lo wa ikhwapha lelana because ucabanga ukuthi hayi umfana angikaze ngithola ukhisi uhamba negazi ovutha kangaka. Sihamba isikhathi usisi baze bagcine benza plan nomfana baze bahambe bayobonana kuphi endlini kaMfana. Uthi mabafika endlini kaMfana uthi hayi akuzange kusabuzwa kubanga kube nalento lokuthi sizoqalisa ngikhelela amanzi uyayifuna idrink uzoyidla iKFC sidlule esitolo. Uthi no because both of them they knew ukuthi why bekhona. Uthi besazi ukuthi into esizele la size ukuthi sizosebenza. Uthi umfana angene emsebenzini umfana angene baqale ecouchini ukuthi basukume bahambe na icouch bayophoseka ekamereni. Umfana uthi inja igame. Uthi umfana ngathi iginza uthi umfana ngathi hey udla isidlo vele ngesona sakhe udla nje isidlo nje ngempela futhi uyasidla. Uthi ngalideka itafula phambi kwakhe umfana wadla. Uthi ngasutha Bongiwe I left and I went home. Mangoduka ngekhaya hayi kube yiyo lonto ke nomfana sesiyajola ke nomfana ke umjolo nje futhi nje userious but ke uhusband akazi. Ngalezo sikhathi uhusband every time makazama ukumthinta umngane wethu uthi yazi uthini kuvela ukuthi angiphalaze because like indlela angithinta ngayo like vele ube ngathi manje sekuphela kwayimizwa le yakhe ke ngoba manje ngithinte ngathi hoho. Uthi and then so sihamba isikhathi uhusband asizigcine sesihlukana ngokulala empedeni. Husband ahamba ulala nomfana ekamereni kube ikamera lakhe like sixoxa nje ukuthi like he's not good like he wants to do izinto but akekho good empedeni like and akangifikisi la kufuna ngifike khona. Agcine umfana eselala nombaba wakhe nami sengilala nentombazane yami sihlangane ke lokho ukuthi and then sihlangana sometimes makuthola ukuthi siyadingana mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi ngiyamdinga nami ngempela ngoba phela sokwenza njani. Uthi hayi sisiphile lo mpilo ke. Uthi umfana lo bengirelay kuyena ukuthi hayi cha yena ke o protect umuzi wami ngoba umuzi wami umile because yena uyakwazi ukuthi angisize usize umyeni wami. Uthi umfana vela ngigile kodwa akasatholakala ocingweni njalo mangimdinga umfana akasatholakala usebusy nje usengigila nje like uthi wangiziba umfana uthe suka lapho mangimfonela umfana wangabe sayibamba ifoni yami ngisamthola umfana nje uyangiziba nje. Bongiwe ngabe ngihate now because now I'm in love with the guy. I'm so in love with the guy and ngiyamthanda ngempela. Uthi ngihate ke ngizothi inhliziyo yami iyophuma ngomlomo because I really do love the guy. Uthi umngane wethu umfana ngigila igoda elinamafindo uthi linamafindi kodwa umfana unyamalela akasatholakala akatholakala ngisho ucingweni. We don't talk like we used to. Uthi umfana ngiyabona ukuthi nje kusho ukuthi useyitholile into abeyifuna useyahamba or it's either umfana usedecide ukuthi akasafuni ukuthandana nomuntu oshadile. Uthi ngaleso sikhathi bonke I'm so thirsty, ngifuni nginxaniwe ngifuna ukusela, ndizawusela njani because lo mthombo endisela kubona sana awunayo incasa. Ndizawuthini ke ngoku because noncasa kule mpophoma endifuna ukukhongozela kuyona. Athi umngane wethu okay ayikho incasa, so bahlale kanjalo nomyeni wakhe. Uthi ke bese kudlula insuku uGuy after it disappeared for no reason abuye uGuy amfonela uGele uthi nangampela njalo sesazi ukuthi sifonelana nje we need each other for isambulo bafuna ukumbulelana. Uthi nangampela ngilana naye ngiphinde futhi uthi bongwe lapho sengi deep in love and ngiyaqonda uba I need to leave my husband for this guy because husband akafiki akayigate akayitholi. Uthi and then okay uthi now ngikwi crossroad nangu uside dish is good in bed and then bese kuba nangu uhusband is not good in bed better. Uthi so now bangani bethu babongiwe Ndlovukazi ngiyacela ukuthi ningibonise ukuthi should I leave my husband for a side dish na but iside dish na iyangila ngile igodeni nefindo so like ngiyasaba futhi ukuthi nene uphindo akuyena umuntu stable uyanyamalala phinda abuya. Should she leave or should she stay? Nangu kwami u2 cent kwaphela nami ufuna ngifaka kwami u2 cent mngani no mngani wethu you can't girl awukwazi ukushiya indoda because of side piece like you can't. I know ngiya-understand ngiyayizwa imizwa it's valid ngiyakuzwa ngiyagetha futhi ngiya-understand because ufune ngathi wena mawuthola indoda engathi ungathola ibutho likashaka elizovele lithathe likushonse phezulu yabona likupha ukudla ngendlela leliphakele ngale ndlela ofuna ukuphakelwa ngayo. Kusambongiwe ukani guys ngiyakhala manje because phela this is funny to me. Ufuna ibutho wena lizokupha but awukwazi sithandwa sami ukushiya umendo alright and please thatha leyo ndodo uyibeke ekamereni ibuyele ekamereni gele awukwazi ukushiya umendo ngoba naku ujahe ibutho. Mina ngokwami ngithi balansisa gele isithembu sakho. I can't believe I'm giving this advice but ke I am samantombazana. Balansisa gele isithembu sakho. Or if not, okay, let me be serious now. Thenga a vibrator thenga ama-toys like and umtshele introduce ama-toys to him. Umtshele ukuthi nene akathathe nangi ama-vibrator introduce wona umtshela ukuthi makakwenza esheshe qeda uzosiqedela wena or naye akakusize like bophanani fakana nozankosi ulenge kanjena yenza something like extraordinary angayijwayele naye like yabo uqoke isketi ube yinurse kwazi ukuthi enene vele bese umshaya ngewhip mhlambe uzophakama umshaya ngemvubu yabo le mvubu lephatha amabutho mayo toyitoy uthole yona wena encane njenga umuthi whip umshaya ngamhlambe uzophaphaminisa mzamele ama alternatives and also umfunela imbiza because ngenzeka ukuthi isifo like kuna something that is really umtholela imbiza tholela imbiza yokuthi aphuze kuze asebenze umthombo wakhe and then bese umtholela umuthi mhlamba aqhume phalaze because sometimes ezinye izinto kungoba kade nahlala nikhiphane, go out, agquma phalaza abe muhle abe nogazi athandeke, nikhiphane and go out, nishiye ingane, you know, zonke lezi zinto ezi-snacks, I mean not the snacks per se, but lezi zinto ozifuna ukuzenza embhedeni komunye umuntu zenzekena zenzekena hey, ngiya-understand kodwa mngana ngifuna unqama kunzima ukuthi enene uphuza amanzi emthombeni onganayo i-taste. Kunzima mhlawumbe ufuna uyothola intelezi. Aba umtshele laba la insizwa zikunika intelezi lapha kwaZulu because wow. Hey, but asimjudge, we listen, we don't judge. I'm not even judging, I'm just doing stories kamngane wethu. Ngiyacela nima-advise guys, nimtshele ukuthi akenze njani. Xayekile usisi. And manje she's at the verge of leaving her husband. Mina ngithi nje unotsha uyishiya indoda 2026 manje sishiya indoda. Mawusunayo noma kuthiwa iyabhaqaza embhedeni as long as he provides ucabanga ukuthi lama-blesser lawa nemkhaba emkhulu iyasebenza yini amalokhuzana nabo awasebenzi leza zinto leziyana ayekho umuntu ngeke awasebenzi kodwa bahleli osisi bethu kuma-blesser bahleli hlala nawe bekezela yabekezela advising guys, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel Bongiwe Law Indlovukazi, and also please follow me on Facebook Bongiwe Indlovukazi, my Facebook page. It's thriving, it's doing great. And please wena mngani wami othi awungitholi awathola ama stories ami uchaza ukuthini mawuthi awathola ama stories ami because ngihlale ngiposta every day. Ngicela usethi ibhathini lingathi lokhuzaneni le ngathi ibell. Set a bell every time when I post it, you can see. Now on YouTube, when you subscribe, set a bell and then ungithole so quick. Okay? Thank you. Bye.